Hi Caitlin, my name is Tara Nelson and I'm here to apply for the instructing rock climbing position for REI. You asked 3 questions in your interview. One was, what animal would I be? I think I would be a hawk. I live in Boise Foothills and we have a lot of hawks in the area, and I just watch them fly and they just seem so free and self-efficient, and they're just a really beautiful creature. I would definitely like to be a hawk. Your second question is, how do I handle stressful situations, particularly in the outdoors, and do I have any go-to tricks? I stay pretty calm. I find that if you start overreacting or react extremely in the situation, that people around you will feed off that reaction. So you make sure that you stay calm. I am an avid downhill skier, and I have been in several situations that were very stressful and very dangerous. And I used to be a ski instructor, and I've worked with a lot of people who were in stressful situations doing something physically that they were learning, and how you had to deal with that situation. At times, you just need to be calm, keep everything under control, make sure that they were focusing on what needed to be done. And then the same with work. I find that, again, being able to keep your thoughts in order, being able to be calm, express confidence in others is definitely the way to go. And your third question is, why did I leave my previous job? My previous job was a desk job. While I really enjoyed the work and the people, it was 8 hours in front of a computer. And I've been doing that for 6, going on 7 years, and it's just time for a change. I want to get outside, use my body, explore the world, before I get older, and am maybe not able to do that in the fashion that I would like to do it. And that's why the rock climbing instructor position appeals to me. It takes me back to my ski instructing roots. It gets me outside. It gets me working with people again, and I just really miss that and would like to pursue that avenue once again. But it was nice speaking with you, and I hope to hear from you soon, and have a good week. Thank you.